Hey, how you doing? This is Paz with Taylor & Son Chevrolet. Today we're looking at our 2023 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 RST, the DMAX. This is a brand new car. Usually walk-arounds we do on used vehicles. It's a little dusty. We'll wash it. We'll wash it for you, don't worry. But yeah, it's brand new. There's no dings, no scratches, no paint chips, nothing like that. We'll just walk around real quick. The outside, it's underneath in the wheel wells here. Make sure everything's on the level. Control the tailgate with the key fob there. And then it is also assisted on the way back up. These nifty little steps. Does take def. Go get the quick rest of the exterior here. I'm gonna take a look inside. Yes, sir. Brand new. Nice big screen there. Get your steering wheel controls, heated steering, got heated seats. All kinds of good stuff in here. All right. And the back seat. There we go. Bada bing, bada boom. And no sunroof. Sorry about that. All right. Once again, this is Paz for Taylor & Son Chevrolet. Have a great day.